Yes, can I help you?
What do you mean?
What do y'all want?
To go downstairs. I want to go downstairs.
How come?
Because we want to open a present.
You think Santa came?
Yeah, probably. Probably.
You sure?
Yes. Probably.
Yeah. Mason, wait. Let's turn on the light.
First, let's open our stockings.
Turn on the light. Santa brought a weed? What was that other thing sitting
This?
there? What else did Santa bring?
Ooh. This is from you and Daddy. Ooh, loving hat.
Look, the stuff that's not wrapped is from Santa. That's Mason's.
Is?
Look, Mason's all over here.
Ooh.
What's those things? That thing right there.
What thing? Bendaroos? Whoa. Bendaroos? A wig! A wig! I wonder what's in here also. Thank you, Santa. Wait, look at this. Ooh. Oh, which one's mine? The snowman?
Well, we'll do that last.
This and that. Oh, cool.
A new hoodie. Like that one? It's reversible. You can turn it around backwards too.
I wonder what's in this.
What'd you get right there? Oh, did you like that? Did you like that hat?
Oh yeah. Mario. Can you get a Mom? Can you get a thing that's do this?
It's not on there very tight. It's just a little piece of tape on the side. Curious George book. It has lots of stories in there, like 8 different stories. It's not that tape, Mason. It's just a little piece of tape. Oh, you're opening the wrong side this way.
I got a car one.
Pull that. What?
Oh, what? Oh, cool. Mason for Mom and Dad. What this is? Oh my God, I can't believe we got seriously got in the room. What is this?
Bath stuff.
Whoa! You got markers in this funny color phone.
What does it say? What kind of markers, Landon?
Bathtub markers! Cool. Does it wash off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wonder what this big present is.
Mason, turn your body this way so I can show Daddy one. Oh, like turn around and open your presents facing.
Awesome! Is it reversible jacket also?
Mm-hmm. No, stay back over there, Landon, because if you're too close, I can't see. Landon, get right back where you were. You were fine. I was just telling Mason.
Ooh, I wonder what this is.
Sit down.
Pant jeans! Is that the new one? Wait.
That's the only one I could find.
Okay.
You like that game, right, Landon?
Like 4, yeah. This feels like it's hard. I wonder what it is. Dog days! Oh!
see.
Gary, we get dog days.
Hold it up so I can show. Cool.
Monkey! Monkey, cuckoo nutty monkey. Man, I can't believe Santa gave me the
Monkey
Wii.
Play-Doh.
Okay.
Now make sure y'all look at the tags because one of them's from Pop and Nemo. So,
Oh, I got Play-Doh also. I got Spaghetti Factory. Whew. That's a lot of presents. Mom and Dad. I wonder what this is. Ooh. Oh, a new planet! I was just opening that too.
y'all never had that kind, have you? At the balls?
No, but it's good for playing army also. It has bullets. Here's Pop and Mima's present. Whoa, wait no. Pop and, yeah. What is this? Whoa! I got a skateboarding shirt and Night at the Museum Battle with the Smithsonian. What is this from Papa and Mima?
Yeah, you pull it down.
Awesome!
Cool. That shirt's pretty cool. Dang, go over there so I can see you, buddy.
Okay, what is this kind of present?
Well, slow down, Mason, because Landon needs to catch up with you. You're not going to have anything else to open.
This is my last present. Whoa! SpongeBob. Landon, this is a SpongeBob. Whoa, Landon, it's whoa, cool. La la la. Whoa, over there. And then where is he? Oh,
What?
whoopee cushions! Cool. Nothing else.
That's it. Well, y'all say to Daddy, too.
Thank you, Daddy. So we did.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. Now, how do you make this blow? How do you make this blow up?
You have to put your tongue in between the two flaps.
Huh?
Spread the thing apart and kind of put your tongue in between them. Oh, yeah. Hours of wrapping presents and shopping and 2 minutes flat, it's all done. Love you. Let's see what Mason does here.